Right now you and we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop ya. Unstoppable, run away train.
5 bodies found at criminal burial site off Washington Boulevard. Police are now confirming that a total of 5 bodies were found at the plot of land located off Washington Boulevard, Kingston, in the vicinity of Sandy Gully on Tuesday. Police said that investigators acting on information went to the location that they now have confirmed to be a site used by criminals to dump and bury several victims. Police said that during the search, 2 shallow graves were found. A search of the graves were carried out, and 5 bodies were removed from the hollow holes found in the ground, one senior investigator told. The ages and gender of the victims were not disclosed up to time. The discovery was confirmed by Assistant Commissioner of Police Fitz Bailey. Police said that based on what they have seen so far, they are set to continue the search on Wednesday. We suspect that this is an area where criminals used as mass burial site, said one of the detectives as he joined his colleagues in combing the area. As the police carried out their operation, scores of curious onlookers gathered close by to get a glimpse of what was happening.
Yes, people. So you know, heart heavy this morning, whole heap of things are going. It is a tough time, people. Updates yesterday in Jamaica, to be exact, after Washington Boulevard, Sandy Gully, to be exact. I don't know how man heart so wicked. Man still do wickedness. A 5 body them find buried on the ground in a shallow grave. 5 bodies right now the time when we have something up against we. Man still a go around and a kill man. I mean them can't catch COVID when them a kill man. Some of them man have to catch COVID when them a kill, you know. Same time, you know, and take them out, you know, because man heart too wicked, man, against one another. However, we don't know what the situation is, why these men were killed. But at the end of the day, what we are saying, let us refrain from the wickedness in our heart. Start find the Almighty Father. Because at the end of the day, brethren, we all are one global family. You understand? And when I watch the news, I get so depressed that I don't even want to go out and reason with nobody and talk to nobody. But I can't do that. Because at the end of the day, we are all human beings and we need each other. So we are asked, the man them we are growing and a kill for whatever reason. Reason it out. Try find a way. If a man owe you money, try give him some time. Take it to him carry wheel them, do something. But kill a man, when I really think, for me kill a man, it have to be like a last resort thing where my sister me not no option. And my life I go be in a jeopardy and I have to try to save my life. So therefore my family can be saved. Yes, when him dead, me I think about him family them too. But at the same time, let us try preserve life. Let us try preserve life.
What going again, Unstoppable family? So people, with everything we are going right now with this virus, we would have think that the man them would have toned down a little bit with the killing though. But I guess not. 5 bodies found in a shallow grave. John Star, wicked. That right there was a reggae entertainer singing melody, sharing his, take on this whole thing. And I beg the man them for just, show some love right now, no man. Please, no bother with the killing no more. Alright, talk to me down in the comment section, peeps, and make me know what you think. What you have to say about this? Why may I tell you? Now for the next topic, as you know, a few of the BPO workers were quarantined by the government at a hotel. Well, those workers are speaking out now and I said they are being treated in what they consider to be inhumane. Listen, I have a few voice recordings of persons in quarantine speaking out, and we are going to make you hear exactly what they had to say. Take a listen right now.
Get my food, But I wish the dog them a feed. Why the box looks so better? Too bomb box. Yo, I'm tired up here,
Well, right now I have to be sleeping on my balcony because in my room smell like bleach and chemical. You see me? I can't barely even breathe. I mean, now take them food because I mean, nobody pies me. You see me? I mean, nobody poison me, so the water we have to go drink that for however long until me leave this place because me not making nobody poison me with them cold food where don't taste good, don't look right because them lettuce so we're supposed to green and brown and not ready. You see me, every time we ask for information, we don't get information. You see me, but we're supposed to comply with everything when they say and don't complain. You see me, we are not humans, we are lab rats. You see me, them unfair at this so-called hotel, because this is not a hotel, this is a lab. This is a big 5-story lab. This is a damn lab with people who don't respect we. People where if we come outside, if you even look what are going, if you even expect, if you even see what are going, because we are humans. This is what I have to be doing to stop the smell from coming into my room. Because them spray bleach at the doorway and it come in and I stop my sinus. Watch out. You have to wet my shots and black it so you know come in and open the balcony door. You see them people here treat with less than human. Anybody that see this need to do something right. So right now I'm enjoying what I'm going to call food for the rest of the time of the day, beside a rubbish bin outside on my balcony, right? Because the inside smells so polluted with bleach, like a perfume. You get me? I have to be out here with the some what's that? That's a piece of cloth and a towel, you see me? Sitting for lay down pan because I'm out here, so me have to go sleep. Leave the room because me cannot go back in there. I cannot go back in there. You see me? And them know what them a do and them do it. Them do it same way. But guess what? This is because this is a government movement, a government situation, a government run. Yo, uno disgust me, fam. Straight up. Any government people where you this, uno disgust me. Uno don't look out for the people. All we call it itself need for burn down. Burn down. No
problem. So here at Bahia Principle, they feed us when they feed like. So basically, your feeding time is supposed to be from 9 o'clock, 1 o'clock, and 5 p.m. So the first week was okay for me. The second week, them no business about we. All after 8, you get dinner. And then the fact is the food even tastes good. Food tastes like shit. Well, sorry my language. The food does not taste good. And it's not a lot of food. So by the time you eat lunch, like after 1 or so, you're very hungry. You understand me? And then you get dinner.
I'll tell the man, say, I cannot eat that food. My stomach is sick. I'm going to throw up. I can't eat that. The man going to look at me and tell me, say, him can't do nothing about it. So I put back all the food out there. I'm not going to eat it. And they could come kill me. I'll send me a fucking yard, yo. They send me a me yard. I don't want there no more if the people are planning to kill me off over here. Boy, I got me yard.
No. Slave prisoners, like say, we commit some form of crime and they forgot that we were at work when we got this virus. Right? The security them usher you in. The nurse them, especially the Cuban people them gots to go. Them treat you like say, listen, we have something to give them, and if we talk to them, if we ask them when are we going to be tested, I've been here 20 days and I'll normally get one test. I know people are here 20 years with me too, and them don't get one test. Them come, we came out today asking when will we be tested. The sister them downstairs from Cuba come upstairs with them entourage. Go back in your room. Don't call us for no water, no food. Don't call us for no water, no food. No water, no food tonight. No water, no food tonight. And one of the porter them will bring the food come, say, him should have did any of him did him would have push one away through the balcony window they saw and say a jump. We need for come out of this place. Yeah.
So we know so we are gonna have some people who are gonna come and say, yo, you just love complain too much. Everything you complain about. You a Jamaican and so you tan, you complain about everything. But if that is actually the case, that these people are going through these things, then the government needs to look into it and make sure that our people are being treated humanely and not being treated like animals, right? Now, I do understand that they are in a certain condition that they are not used to, and anybody would have rather to be home, right? So that can be the case as well, where they're just tired of being there and want to go home. But it is still something that the government and the authorities and people need to look into to make sure that these people are in a condition where they are still comfortable, because it is a strenuous and stressful situation to be in, you know. So we don't want to added stress by them getting food where is uneatable. We don't want to added stress by them feeling like them in a room and bleach kill them, the fumes and bleach kill them. You understand? And worse, we don't want the added stress of them being treated as if them are some prisoner or animals, right? Where people chat to any and anyhow and treat like they are not humans. Watch out, man, people. Talk to me down in the comment section. Let me know what you think about all of this. And as a matter of fact, share this video so that it reach everywhere, so everybody can hear what is happening right now with our Jamaicans. Watch out. This has been another one from Unstoppable TV. Like, share, comment, and definitely don't forget to subscribe. And if this is your first time here to this channel, well, you wait for hit the subscribe button. And make sure you turn on the notification bell, so once we upload a video, you will always be alerted. No matter what, don't let nobody stop you. I'm unstoppable, and I'm out.
Right now, you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.